What's going on, everyone? Jon Venus here. Welcome back to another Reading Vegan Hate Comments. This has been a long time coming. A lot of you guys have requested this, and it's been, I think, almost 3 years, since the last one. So I replaced my friend Sergio with my good friends Derek and Brian Turner. So these comments are basically comments from one of our videos. So we just compiled a bunch of them that we found online about us and the vegan movement and diet in general. So sit back, enjoy.
Brian and I haven't seen any of these comments.
Right.
Jon just kind of went and compiled them, and we heard lots of like giggling and oh my god. So yeah, this will be fun.
Yeah, all right, let's get started. So the first one is from Delilara's. So it's only veggies and roids then? We've all been juicing in this
Just
house.
the celery juice, that's it.
American diet is already 70% plants. That's why everyone is ill.
Okay.
121 thumbs up.
Holy crap, that's
Yeah.
the more alarming thing from
Yeah,
them.
I know.
Is just this comment alone.
All 121 of those people think that they get their veggies in from tomato ketchup.
How does that taste?
So good.
Alright, Keto Boy. Guarantee these two guys aren't vegans. They'll be eating all sorts on the side. We don't digest plants. End of. Period.
No, I can confirm we don't digest plants. I just poop out the same thing that I eat.
Yeah.
It's like potato french fries coming out.
Do.
Guys are on steroids and they most likely eat meat. I hope you realize that once you die, your soul will pay for lying for profit. You guys are the lowest form of humans.
We're just trying to do such good things here, eh? And it's just like terrible hate.
What other part of YouTube do you get such hate?
Your soul will pay for lying.
I do have to thank the Vegan Illuminati for sponsoring this video. By the way, quick little promo.
The Leguminati.
Yeah. The perfect slave. Drug addict, eating a sugar and grain diet, and believes RFID implants are a good thing. The elite must love him.
You know how many people think that the New World Order is part of the vegan thing? These days, I feel like I can spot a vegan from a mile away. They're all extremely pale with demonic eyes.
Oh. We all know he eats animal products along with his bum chum, Jon Venus, privately.
Bum chum. That's good. I feel like it'd be such an uphill battle to be like sneaking the opposite of what your entire content sourcing is.
Yeah.
Yes.
Soy voice for sure. So weird on a guy with muscles. Soy voice. You gotta respect us even though we talk like this, okay? Please.
It's candy time, boys and girls. Sugar addiction plus steroids plus narcissism plus vegan sense of humor equals Brian, I have a magnificent diet. Dentist, Turner. I like how you wrapped up all the insults with telling me that I have great teeth.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Why do they always sound so nasally and effeminate? Ah, the soy, of course. Yeah,
Do we all sound like this, like normally? I don't know. Brian Turner is completely feminine. Energetically, he's a woman.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine. They're naturally fine. You just
So we have bum chums, and energetically I'm a woman.
Red Moses, no steroids, no protein powder, no Simnett. I would just disappear without the protein powder and all the steroids I take.
He's getting those fishy eyes. Veganism, the fast track, the evolutionary route for mankind to go back into the sea.
To be honest, I think any woman has more testosterone than he does, even with all the injections.
Oh, burn.
You're on steroids?
Yeah.
But also
Yeah.
energetically, you're a woman.
Yeah, how did both of those go together? I don't know. Vegan people lost masculinity and became soy boy.
And become soy boy.
And become soy boy.
From the Hermaphrodite Doro with
funny.
570 subs.
Wait a minute, what the hell?
Vegans look old and young, male and female at the same time.
Totally androgynous.
Here we go. Eventually they will all blend into one look, just like how bananas are all sterile clones of each other.
Oh my gosh.
Well, that just went into a conspiracy like rabbit hole at the end.
Yeah,
there.
this bananas are sterile clones.
Somebody needs to get everyone together and be like, which way are we going?
Yeah,
Are they feminine, or are they boyish, or are they old and deteriorated, or are they super young and act like children?
I went vegan for 2 months. It was awful. I felt weak, my hair started falling out, and I was tired all the goddamn time. Now I eat 80-20. 80% animal products and 20% of plants and seeds. I feel
Oh, wow.
amazing.
Okay.
Yeah.
The vegan diet. Lose your energy fast, lose your weight fast, lose your life fast. It's a win-win scenario for brainwashed people. Plants are power, lol. Eat vegetables and you become a vegetable.
Well, you are what you eat. Like, there's a bunch of just like vegans dropping dead, hey? Like losing your life fast. Like headlines are like vegans dying at 40 years old across the globe.
This just in, popular vegan YouTuber Simnett Nutrition dies from eating too many vegetables and stopping roids.
We know so many vegans, and we've never known anyone who's just, you know, died from veganism itself.
I don't know anyone.
Yeah, exactly.
I think it's worth considering that these people might actually be paid to spread this disinformation. Just the same as most other cult-like movements, veganism was probably investigated by groups with interest in degrading the health of those who are willing to blindly follow such trends. Not to mention the money to be made from supplements and special vegan products, like fruits and nuts and seeds.
Yeah, the nut industry is coming in hard.
Yeah.
With the cash money.
Plants are living too, and as all the fields get tilled and farmers use tractors to till the ground, little animals die, so vegans should probably just stop eating altogether.
Okay.
The solution is breatharianism.
Breatharianism.
Can't walk through a
Yeah.
forest because you might step on an ant or something, you know? Like, what are we supposed to do? Just stay here our whole lives?
Anyways, guys, this is it. Those are all the vegan hate comments that we have today. So let us know what you thought about this video. Let us know if this was enjoyable. And also check out my good friends Brian Turner, Derek Simnett. Links to their channels linked up in the description box below. So make sure to check them out. Thank you so much for watching. And as always, we'll see you very soon. Peace out.